welcome. Today I'll show you how to add a heavy attack. Um, yeah, let's just start. Let's just dive straight into it. So first of all, I already did it in the project. So heavy attack, right mouse button, like at the input action mappings. Okay, so we just last tutorial we just made like this character with the easy combos with the sword, but now we just want a heavy attack. So I already imported an animation, this one, uh, this one, boom, looks really great. And I made a heavy attack. I made a montage already for it with the ANS sword art. So yeah, with the animation notify state when to like this in this section, he will do damage to it. Okay, so what we will do now is we go to the character game. I already made some space for to go further. So what we will do is first off start with a variable. We call it uh, and then montage. Yeah, well, we search it for the variable type and we call heavy attack montage. Well, let's just call it like this, and we enable we'll give it this attack. Perfect. So we got this. Now we just gonna copy a lot of what here is. So we put the heavy attack from the input action uh, here, and we're just gonna copy this over. Do once, and now reset heavy attack, obviously. Attack. And now we're gonna add some small things. First, we want it to run on the server, so as underscore montage one. Let's just call it montage one. Run on server reliable. We're also gonna make one called m underscore montage one. So, and this will be a multicast. Perfect. That is all set. Now what we will do from this, we'll call the s underscore montage one, and from this we'll obviously call the m underscore montage one. And we're not done yet. We just create one final, and we call this montage one, and we call it montage one. Perfect. That is all done. And now we're just gonna copy this with this over. So this is just a play montage node with the skeletal mesh. We're gonna add our heavy attack montage we just assigned. Yeah. So this is all set. And this attack, like uncompleted, reset heavy attack, and uninterrupted reset heavy attack. But we're not done yet. We just need to make a little, well, we need to add a little small things, and that is here we call it the, well, I'll call it just a switch, and this will be an integer. So the integer on default is 0. That is quite easy to remember, and what it does is we'll just get it set here. Switch will be set here. Also make sure to get the current animation index and also set it to 0. Oh no, the switch we want set to 1. So, and now what we're gonna add at the apply damage, this is pretty important. Also just make a little bit more space, and we just add here a switch on integer. So what we'll add now is this switch we just made with a default of 0. So let's just get it out here. So 0, it will go this. Then we just copy paste this node over, and at 1 it will go in here. So what will this do? It just gets the heavy attack. Now we'll just make a heavy attack damage float, and if you can see here, boom, attack damage. So That is all fixed right now, except damage actor. Boom. And I think, yeah, this is good. So at this here, it will go to switch 1, current animation 0. And at this one here, you obviously want to you want this to let me check real quick. Montage. Yeah, you want it here. Switch. Set. What is it? Set. Switch to 0. This is really important. And that's all it. And now let's just test it real quick. So we got this. Yeah, we got the heavy attack. It's replicated, if you can see. Wow, that's great. And also the damage should work right now. Let me just get a real quick print string with not here. Boom. And what is the damage? We didn't set it. Let's just say 100 damage. Let's just change this real quick. So yeah, 100 damage it will do. And there let's check it out. What's up guys, I am back. So I forgot one thing. I've got to add the notify state here. So yeah, like for the attack with the, like in this section he will get hit, the sword can do damage. And yeah, everything was right, the code was working. So yeah, I already checked, was trying like what the hell happened, but now it should work with the switch on here and switch here. Let's just check it out, the damages. Let's check it out. Yeah, and it does work perfectly fine. Perfect. And now let's do this. Yeah, it works perfect.